Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Mr. SK Tech. What is today's topic? Today's topic is nothing but friends, how to download YouTube Premium without giving the subscription. Okay friends, there are subscription of 1 month and 3 months you have to pay 100 to 300. In this video we are going to see that only friends, without paying that money we will download and see what are the offers you are getting for the YouTube Premium friends. You are getting the ad-free enjoyment friends, and you will get the floating window option, and there will be playback option for you friends. That means if you lock the mobile, there will be song playing in the background, and you will get the window like music playing in the background. If you scroll the screen down friends, you will get the song playing, the pause, and there will be control there. Like that YouTube also gives the option friends. Okay friends, and benefit of this is you will get the YouTube without ads. You have to download 2 apps friends, that is YouTube Advanced and Micro G. Okay friends, if you don't want to sign in with Google account, you don't want to download the Micro G, the link will be given in the description. Go there and check there. Okay friends, let us start the video. Before going to video, please see this proof and come friends. Okay friends, let us start the video. After that, see this proof and come. Number 1, playing ads. Number 2, floating window. Number 3, playing in background. First you have to install the app friends. The link will be given in the description. Please go there and download it. Let us first install the apps. YouTube Advanced. This is the main app we want friends. It is already installed. I am showing here for you. Okay, you can see your Micro J app also. You have to install this for sign in purpose. If you don't want to download it friends. Now let us go to YouTube Advanced. To sign in friends, we need one app, that is Micro G. That link will be given friends. If you don't want to sign in with YouTube Advanced, then please skip this upcoming video. If you want to sign in, then you have to download Micro G app. The link will be given in description. Go there and check there. I am here showing the procedure of signing in. You have to give your Gmail or mobile number. Give your Gmail and enter your password. Give allow, yes, and you have to wait for a second. Agree, I agree. Click on the I agree. Now you have been signed in friends. Now you can see here the app has been opened, same as YouTube. Okay friends, you can see here no ads are coming, only few ads, only one I will show you here down. See here friends, there will be many ads in YouTube, but there is only one ad here friends. Let us see this assistant Chalani video. Okay friends, I am showing you here the ad free playing now.
सड़ी पार्टी मैंने अपनी लाइफ में नहीं देखी। अबे तू नहीं दी है पार्टी, पता है मेरे को, लेकिन ये जो मनु लोग आए, हाँ क्या है? दारू पीते? नहीं पीना है मेरे को। क्या मिलता है दारू पी के?
फ्लोटिंग विंडो।
इतना मजा आता है तो घूम जा, तेरे को और मजा देता हूँ मैं। तेरे को बोलता है नहीं ना दारू फालतू में ना ओवर
playing in background. How was the video friends? Do you like it? Then subscribe my channel. Okay friends, for more update please click on the bell icon and please subscribe my channel.